Bankruptcy clients, assemble! You've been through a bankruptcy. It's been discharged, whether it was a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, it doesn't really matter. Now you have to do some cleanup work on the back end of that bankruptcy so that way you can start rebuilding and boosting your credit score. The first thing that you're going to want to take a look at is the manner of payment rating on your credit score. Most of the times when you've been through that bankruptcy, whether you were including charge-offs or old collections in that BK, you're going to have items that are known as a 9 rating, which is the worst possible rating on the credit scoring algorithm. What needs to happen is after that bankruptcy has been discharged, those ratings need to go from a 9 down to a BK rating, which is a 7, and those 2 points on the manner of payment scale are huge. So if you've been through a bankruptcy and don't know where to start, get in touch with us. We're happy to start with a free review to see how we can help. Hope you have a great rest of your day.